I am not excited to go to work, but I have to. Let's get this over with. Like, finally, you've arrived. Goodbye. Take my spot. I'm gonna go, somewhere. Don't tell the boss. Okay, Lilac. I don't get paid enough for this. I'd like your finest hotel room. Okay, ma'am. Follow me this way. This is your hotel room. Enjoy it. This room is too dirty. Before I say something sarcastic, did you just change your voice? No, you didn't hear my voice change. Because I am totally not a witch, so please don't ban me! Whatever, lady. I'm just gonna get room service for you. Stop right there! Wait, aren't you a male? Why are you dressed like that? I don't mean to be, sexist or anything, but why are you dressed like that? Don't judge me, I just want to know what it's like to be a girl. Okay? Okay? Tell me an answer, now, okay? Now. No one cares about you being a transgender. I need room service, and this girl won't help me. So do something about it. Boss, I think you should fire her. She's clearly an idiot. Yeah, you're right. You're fired! No, sir, please. I can make a better impression. I can help. I can help. Blibbers. What? I'm up here to the blibber. It was just my stupid iPad. Let me see what it is. My God. That woman killed my boss. Oh well. I'll find another job. Wait, I was fired. Alright. Back to nap time.